They say the leaders are busy, out of touch. Why the people rise up? We've had enough. Since 59 we lost what was ours, but in the hearts of the brave, we still have stars.
Tibet, our home, our spirit won't break. Free Tibet, now we deserve to be free. In the shadows of history, let us be. With hope in our hearts, we'll take a stand. Together we rise, united we
We march through the silence, our voices loud. A nation united, standing proud. From the mountains to the plains, we'll reclaim the land of our birth, forever our name.
go back, trying to, don't ignore.